This is introducing you to the new HREM sample holder. This mounts onto the HREM by using either the two screws on this side or on this side, whichever you want to mount them with. It's better to mount it so you undo this side perhaps, and then this is the furthest away from the blade. This is very different to the original sample holder. As you see, it has a lot more things on the top here. The reason it has different screws on the top is so that we can change these for different size sample holders if we want to. So we can get up to nice large sample holders there, which we can have custom made for you. So what you would do is you would pop your sample in here, and then this moves backwards and forwards like this and is actually secured by this screw on the end. So once your sample's in, and once this is mounted onto the sample carriage on the machine, then you won't need to take this off again. So you should be able to undo your sample, put your samples in and out. If you need to slide it along, you can undo the two screws and slide it along the carriage. So to tighten up the sample's dropped in there. Tighten it up, we just tighten up this Allen screw here, and it will tighten up against the sample really nice and tight. And we just need to make sure this one here is slightly screwed in as well, because it pivots on that. So we need to make sure that happens as well. If you have one of these, don't forget to screw that in a bit. Okay, so this is now much easier to use, much more robust, as you see, much more solid than the existing sample carriers. Has the flexibility of maybe different sample sizes if you would like to do that. We make different top plates for you. The thing is that what this actually will help us do is to make sure that we don't have any sample moving here at all, because there's a chamfer on here, which means that as we tighten it up, it pushes down the sample, keeps it really, really tight. So if you are having blocks breaking, the best thing to do is get one of these, and it'll hold it extremely tight and make sure your block doesn't move at all. Just contact us on the website, or come through and give us a call. Thanks a lot.